are we going to prepare today?
Fried rice.
Yes, fried rice. So guys, today we are going to prepare fried rice for you guys. And we will speak English. Sorry. English.
Mix it.
Creole or English.
I want Creole.
Creole.
Okay, we'll mix it.
Okay, we'll mix
those
it
who
up.
want to learn
So now we go prepare the fried rice. So now follow in at the kitchen, okay?
I follow it. Sorry, Tagido is not here. It goes to me.
And the small one not there today.
He said he was
No picking a business.
Yeah, okay, bye.
Call the vegetable that we cut.
We got. I am cutting the cabbage.
Then what is in the plate? What is in the tray?
Onion.
Bell pepper,
Pepper.
or sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper. And small cabbage.
You already slice it, right? So now you slice.
They cut it up.
Now you're cutting it for salad.
Not in the cartoon.
In the cartoon.
Yeah, you're watching the cartoon.
They chop it like this.
So you know how to cook.
I try.
You try.
But I don't have nothing to cut with.
What is on your nose? Your nose.
Okay.
Like that.
Still cut it. It's big.
If I can cut.
So guys, this is the rice. So you see the rice, you don't need them for only each other. Some of them can soak them. Some fried rice they soak them. But me, this one way is still my more easier and they cook. They make they too hard for the fried rice. And then they broke. Where they soak and they broke. If you not be careful, they broke. They loose. First, I fry the rest before I put the vegetable. And because the vegetable I want to let it be half. I don't want to let it overcook. So I need to put the vegetable together with the rest. I want to let the rest fry small. Then before I put the vegetable. So they mix. They keep on mixing and mixing. Not left hand because if you left hand, they make crowd under. So it will come out bad. So you need to continue mix until all fried fine. I put small color inside for let it look like not too white. Let it look colorful small. So if you want me for show now for make the fried rice for boil rice for fried rice, then na comment. I will show now what I put two color I put anything. So now guys, we put the vegetable, cabbage, sweet pepper, carrots, oops, onion, yabas. We call it yabas. In our language, yabas. So you will put all the vegetables together. You continue for mix them until everything fried. With the vegetable, I want to wait half done. I don't want to let it done too much. I make it keep them first, I keep them last. After I fry small rest, then I put the vegetable later. Oh, if you want, you can put egg. You fry the egg, mash them. If you want to put egg, you put it inside. Anything you want. I want to put spring onion, but the spring onion, I forget. I forget say another. The leafy abas. So you will call it leafy abas. Or the green abas. No. The way of cooking sometimes is different. So guys, now the fried rice done ready. You can put it inside the bowl. Then I show now I grill chicken. We call am fall. I grill am. Me I not fry. Me I not can fry the chicken. I the griller. The oil business. So I can grill me or put on the side of the fried rice. So guys, now you see the chicken. I don't grill them. Ooh, see I come out. All the oil don't go out of the chicken. Let me calculate for grill them. I know they fry them. So now don't grill the chicken. We can put her now to go eat.
I've done making the food.
We make our fried rice.
So if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, share, subscribe,
And like
And like what?
our video.
So guys, that's all for today. The fried rice, very short video, and fried is very easy to prepare.
Easy.
Very easy. Right?
Easy.
So now we say next time, and thank you for the new subscriber, and thank you also for the returner of subscriber. Those that they stop and they come back. So thank you very much.
the ones who are always there.
And
Thank you all.
all of you say thank you. So guys, please want you to share our video,
Subscribe.
to comment. You guys are not comment, please you have to comment and share our videos. Is very important.
And like.
Even if you don't like our videos, if you share it, it's an help for us, please. So we love you all. Bye bye.
Bye. See you in the next video.